found another test. This one better not be.
This is the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm.
Oh, look,
During
that's a
periods
cloud.
of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard.
Oh, they actually.
Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the
Oh my,
National
they
Weather
didn't
Service
even
every
tone it
Wednesday between
correctly.
11 a.m.
Holy
and
crap!
noon.
They didn't even tone it with valid tones.
On Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather
Oh
day.
my, this is a massive
Reception of
failure.
this broadcast and the warning alarm will
This
vary
test
at any given location.
has just been a
This
These last
variability,
two
normally
tests
more
have just
noticeable
been
at greater distances
disasters.
from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Besh, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay.
Blackford is my
The
home
counties in
county.
Ohio include Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale.
We've been to St.
For more
Joseph
information,
before.
see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information.
It'd be hilarious if they toned
Please
us
excuse
yet
the
again.
technical difficulties with the earlier test. We are now returning to normal programming.
That's right. I actually
I'm
mentioned
meteorologist
the
Michael Lewis with the National Weather Service in northern Indiana.
I've heard of you before.
Cast. Today,